Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today we are going to study about previous year questions that were asked in CBSE Class 10 board examination. So the question for today is state laws of reflection of light. And this question was asked in 2024 in the question paper set number 31-2-1. So let us study the laws of reflection. First law. First law states that the incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies on the same plane at point of incidence. This everybody can write. What about the second law? So many students makes mistake in writing the second law. Everybody will write that sin A by sin R is equal to K, but that is not the actual second law. Second law states that for a given pair of medium, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given wavelength. Generally, so many children will miss for a given pair of medium and for a given wavelength. So, this is the perfect definition of second law of refraction, where that K is known as the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.